Tractors, the workhorses of modern agriculture, have profoundly revolutionized farming practices. Since their inception, tractors have played a pivotal role in reshaping the agricultural landscape, making tasks that once required arduous manual labor or the use of animals, such as plowing, planting, and harvesting, far more efficient and less time-consuming. This mechanization has not only boosted productivity but also transformed rural economies and lifestyles. Not all tractors have made a positive impact. Just as with any technology, the evolution of tractors has seen its share of design flaws, mechanical failures, and inefficiencies. In this video, our list of the top 10 worst tractors ever is curated not to undermine the overall significance of these machines, but to provide an honest retrospective on the models that fell short of expectations. The criteria for this list are multifaceted, encompassing aspects such as mechanical reliability, safety concerns, operational efficiency, user-friendliness, and the overall impact on the farming community. 1. Ford N-Series. The Ford N-Series tractors, particularly the models produced in the 1930s and 1940s, are a classic example of early tractor design that, while innovative for their time, were marred by significant safety issues. The most prominent of these models, the Ford 9N, 2N, and 8N, were highly popular and introduced several key features in tractor technology, such as the three-point hitch, a revolutionary concept invented by Harry Ferguson. However, the Ford N-Series tractors had a critical flaw in their design: the absence of a live hydraulic system. This omission meant that implements attached to the tractor, like plows or mowers, could not be controlled independently of the tractor's transmission. As a result, if the tractor stopped suddenly, the trailing equipment would not, leading to potentially dangerous situations, especially on uneven terrain or during abrupt stops. Moreover, these tractors were also known for their tendency to flip backward if improperly handled, particularly while performing tasks that required significant power, like heavy plowing or towing. This was partly due to their light front end and the distribution of weight and power in their design. Numerous accidents and even fatalities were reported, making it a significant safety concern of the time. Despite these issues, the Ford N-Series tractors hold an important place in agricultural history. They were among the first to make tractor technology more accessible and affordable to the average farmer, a legacy that has had a lasting impact on agricultural practices. Nonetheless, their design flaws serve as a reminder of the critical importance of safety considerations in machinery design, a lesson that has profoundly influenced subsequent tractor models. 2. John Deere Model D. The John Deere Model D, an iconic tractor first introduced in 1923 and produced for 3 decades, marked a significant milestone in the history of John Deere and Company. This model was renowned for its durability and was one of the first tractors to utilize an all-steel construction, a notable departure from the wood and cast-iron structures of earlier tractors. Its 2-cylinder engine, known for the distinctive Johnny Popper sound, became a hallmark of John Deere tractors for years to come. However, the Model D was not without its faults. One of the primary issues was its initial lack of an electric start, a feature that wasn't added until 1947, long after its competitors had adopted this technology. The early models required a laborious and potentially dangerous hand-cranking method to start the engine, a process that was notorious for causing injuries. Another significant drawback of the Model D was its size and weight. It was a large and heavy tractor, which made it less versatile and harder to maneuver, particularly in smaller fields or tighter spaces. This size also limited its suitability for a variety of farm tasks, confining its use primarily to heavy plowing and belt work. The tractor's performance in terms of fuel efficiency was another area of concern. The Model D was known for its high fuel consumption, a significant disadvantage during times of economic hardship like the Great Depression. Despite these issues, the Model D played a crucial role in establishing John Deere as a major player in the tractor industry. Its robust construction and reliability set a high standard for tractor durability, influencing the design of future models. However, its shortcomings in convenience, efficiency, and versatility offer valuable insights into the evolution of tractor technology and user needs over time. 3. Ferguson TE20. The Ferguson TE20, a tractor model launched in 1946, was instrumental in revolutionizing farming practices with its lightweight design and versatile functionality. It gained popularity rapidly, especially among small-scale farmers, due to its affordability and efficiency. The TE20 was notably equipped with the Ferguson system, a novel three-point hitch system that improved the tractor's stability and ease of attaching implements. However, the Ferguson TE20 had its share of drawbacks. One significant issue was its engine. The TE20 initially used a standard motor company petrol engine, which, while reliable, was not as efficient or powerful as the diesel engines that were becoming more common in tractors of that era. This limitation impacted its performance, especially in heavy-duty tasks or challenging terrain. Another concern with the Ferguson TE20 was related to its build and mechanical systems. As a tractor designed primarily for light tasks and smaller farms, it struggled with durability issues when used extensively for more demanding work. 4. International Harvester Farmall, H. The International Harvester Farmall, H, introduced in the late 1930s, was one of the most widely produced and popular tractors of its time. Known for its versatility, it was designed to meet the needs of medium-sized farms. The Farmall H came equipped with a powerful four-cylinder engine and was capable of handling a variety of agricultural tasks, from plowing to harvesting. The Farmall H did face issues with its design and functionality. One of the primary concerns was its relatively high center of gravity, which posed a risk of rollovers, especially when navigating uneven terrain or steep slopes. This feature raised safety concerns among farmers, particularly in regions with hilly or irregular landscapes. Farmall H's transmission system was a point of contention. The tractor had a tendency for transmission wear and breakdowns, especially under heavy use or in challenging farming conditions. 5. Allis-Chalmers Model B. Introduced in the 1930s, the Allis-Chalmers Model B was designed to cater to the needs of small farmers. It gained popularity for its compact size, affordability, and simple operation. This model was particularly known for its narrow design, making it ideal for row crop farming. Its lightweight construction allowed for easy maneuverability, a significant advantage over the larger, heavier tractors of the time. The Allis-Chalmers Model B, while innovative in its design, faced limitations in its capabilities and durability. The tractor's smaller size and less powerful engine restricted its use to lighter tasks. When pushed beyond these limits, particularly in heavy plowing or hauling, it often fell short in performance. This limitation narrowed its applicability to a range of farming activities, making it less versatile than some of its contemporaries. Durability was another concern with the Model B. Its construction, while advantageous for light work and ease of use, meant that it was not as robust as larger tractors. 6. Case 730. The Case 730, part of the Case 30 series introduced in the 1960s, was designed to offer a balance between power and versatility for medium to large-scale farming operations. Equipped with a robust engine and known for its substantial pulling power, the Case 730 was intended to handle a wide range of agricultural tasks efficiently. One of the main issues with the Case 730 was its engine and transmission system. Users often reported problems related to the tractor's engine performance, particularly concerning overheating and inefficiency under prolonged use. This not only affected the tractor's operational capability, but also led to increased maintenance requirements, impacting its overall reliability. The transmission system of the Case 730 also drew criticism. There were instances of transmission failures, particularly under heavy loads or during extensive use in challenging farming conditions. 7. Massey-Ferguson 135. The Massey-Ferguson 135, launched in the 1960s, quickly became one of the most popular models in the Massey-Ferguson tractor lineup. Praised for its compact size and versatility, it was well suited for a variety of tasks on smaller farms. The tractor was particularly known for its user-friendly design and efficient fuel consumption, making it a favorite among farmers worldwide. One area where the Massey-Ferguson 135 faced challenges was in its hydraulic system. The tractor was equipped with the Ferguson system, a pioneering technology in tractor hydraulics. While innovative, this system had its quirks and was prone to certain issues, particularly leaks and pressure problems. These hydraulic issues not only affected the tractor's performance in terms of lifting and operating implements, but also required frequent maintenance and care. Another point of concern was the durability of certain components under rigorous working conditions. Some users reported that under heavy or prolonged use, parts of the tractor, such as the clutch and the PTO, power takeoff, tended to wear out more quickly than expected. This necessitated regular replacements and repairs, adding to the operational costs for farmers. 8. Oliver 5550. The Oliver 5550, introduced in the mid-1950s, was designed to serve the needs of medium-sized farms. It was well regarded for its innovative features, including a 3-point hitch system and a comfortable operator area. The Oliver 550 was aimed at providing a versatile yet powerful tractor option, capable of handling a variety of agricultural tasks. One notable issue with the Oliver 550 was related to its engine design. Some models were prone to overheating, especially during prolonged use in demanding conditions. This overheating not only affected the tractor's performance, but also raised concerns about long-term engine durability and the potential for costly repairs. The tractor's gearbox and clutch system also presented challenges. Users often reported difficulties with gear shifting and a stiff clutch, which made the tractor less user-friendly, especially during long hours of operation. These issues could lead to operator fatigue and reduced efficiency in the field. The Oliver 550 played a crucial role in the transition period of tractor technology, bridging the gap between older models and more modern designs. Its contributions to improving operator comfort and implement compatibility are notable. 9. Kubota L Series. The Kubota L Series, a line of compact tractors introduced in the late 20th century, has been widely recognized for its innovation and versatility, particularly suited for small-scale farming and landscaping tasks. These tractors are known for their durability, efficient design, and ease of use, making them a popular choice among hobby farmers, landscapers, and those with smaller acreage. A key limitation of the Kubota L Series was its size and power. While the compact design was advantageous for maneuverability and ease of use in smaller spaces, it limited the tractor's suitability for more demanding agricultural tasks. The lower horsepower and lifting capacity restricted its ability to perform heavier-duty operations, which could be a drawback for users with more extensive or varied farming needs. Additionally, some models in the L Series face challenges with their hydrostatic transmissions. 10 Belarus 250 AS. The Belarus 250 AS, a tractor produced by the Minsk Tractor Works in Belarus, was introduced in the 1970s and gained popularity in various global markets due to its affordability and simple, rugged design. It was primarily used for a range of agricultural tasks, including plowing, harrowing, and hauling. One of the significant issues with the Belarus 250 AS was related to its maintenance and reliability. The tractor was known for its frequent need for repairs and maintenance, partly due to the quality of components used in its construction. The Belarus 250AS represents a phase in tractor development where functionality and affordability were prioritized, providing valuable insights into the diverse needs of the global farming community. So that's all for this video. Hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like this.